Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows installation error. So I'm going to share to you different methods, so you just need to follow as to what method or solution will best work for you. So first is you have to click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update. We need to make sure that our Windows is updated. So simply click on the like the button check for updates. So this will check for all the updates on your Windows, download and install the updates for your Windows, which is a very good thing because once your Windows is updated, you rarely face an issue. Once you're updated, close out of here and then you can just simply continue the installation process. For the next method is we can uninstall or disable the third-party antivirus software that we have on our Windows. So if you have the Malwarebytes, McAfee, or Avast on your Windows, like in my case, I am using the Malwarebytes, simply click on the three dots, like in the show hidden icons right here at the taskbar, and you'll find the Malwarebytes right here. What you can do is simply make a right click and then select quit Malwarebytes, because that might interrupt and block the installation process, or you can completely uninstall it. So click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, simply click on apps, installed apps, and wait for all the applications to load and simply search for Malwarebytes. Then you can click on the three dots that corresponds to it and then select uninstall and then uninstall once again. And for the next method is we can also uninstall the applications which we are not using on our Windows, because if we are going to uninstall that, then we can also free up some space on our Windows. So click on the apps on the left pane, click on installed apps. So here you just need to look for all the applications which are unnecessary or which you are not using because you have installed it for the past days, past week, and you're not using as of the present. So what you can do, just simply click on the three dots and then select uninstall and then uninstall once again. So you have to do this for all the unnecessary applications or programs in your Windows which you are not using. Now this is currently uninstalling this program. And for the next method is we can also free up some space. So you have to click on the system in the list of options on the left pane, scroll down and you'll find storage. Then here you need to look for the storage sense, make sure this is enabled, and here you'll find the cleanup recommendations. Because there are some cases that you don't have enough storage, that's why you cannot install the application. So click on cleanup recommendations, click on see advanced options. And here you have to simply check these items right here one by one, except for the downloads, especially if there are items on your downloads that is very important to you. And finally, click on remove files and then select the continue button. And once done, close out of here and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And after that, you just need to install your application. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.